Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Harshita VIP. Today I'm going to take you to the Niagara Falls because everyone has a dream to go to Niagara. That's why I'm going to take you straight on the way. Look at this beautiful travel. Look at the trees, the roads, the mountains on the way, the grass. Wow, we made it to the Niagara. So this is the Niagara River. Look, the river is coming in such speed and look, the water is coming in such force. Are you excited to see the waterfall? But wait, sometime you won't hear the sound. So, do you know that the Niagara Falls is a three-group of waterfalls? So, you can see that US and there's Canadian Horseshoe Falls, the largest waterfall in the three. So, this is the night view. They put on some red, green, yellow lights, blue lights. They put lights there. It looks beautiful.
Daddy, Mom, it's doing the turtle.
So it's night, so we need to go to the motel to sleep and get energy for tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to the Maid of Mist. Are you excited? I will tell you all about it tomorrow. So this is the caravan motel. Look at the out view from the caravan motel. Now remember friends, wake up early because we have a long journey tomorrow. Look at the view. Let's go! Let's go to the observation tower. Look at these beautiful plants. We need to go up. Come on, let's go up. We made it to the top. Look at the view. That is the Rainbow Bridge. We are in the observation tower. Do you know what height we are off the ground? We are 282 feet off the ground. That's the Canadian Maid of Mist boat ride. So this is the Rainbow Bridge connecting the Canada and US. You can see 3 flags. So that's the border. From the observation tower, come down by the lift and get your raincoat to go to the Maid of Mist. Are you excited? We are on the Maid of Mist boat ride. Are you excited to see the Niagara Falls? Look at the Niagara. We are going right to the middle of it. Everyone get ready to get wet. Look at all those birds. I think the birds are getting a bath. Get ready to go into the middle of Niagara. Look at the rocks. $700,000 of water drop down from Niagara Falls every 4 seconds. Do you know the speed? 109 kilometers per hour. Whoa, that's a whooping speed. We are in the middle of the Maid of the Mist. Look at all that water. How much speed it's coming down. Look at the cave of the wind. You can go there and take bath. Look at the Maid of the Mist. We are going up. Look at the Niagara shower. Let's take a bath right here at Niagara. It's raining! So, how was the bath? This is the whole view of Niagara. This is the first, second, and third waterfall. Could you see three? Look at the Canadian Horseshoe. It's the largest waterfall of all. Amazing view of Niagara and Canada. Niagara produces 20% of US drinking water. That's a lot of water Niagara is giving to us. Amazing view of Niagara and Canada. Opposite, that's Canada. If you cross the Rainbow Bridge, Canada. I hope you like this video, seeing the Niagara. I hope you like. If you like, subscribe and hit the bell and give us a thumbs up. See you later, friends.